more digits. I haven't started, man, these are just the before pictures. Shout out my parents, my mother gave birth to 4 winners. All of the players in the game, it's always called benches. Been in the studio, I forgot how to sleep. Not trying to make an album, they forget about it in a week. They said the fruit never gon' fall far from the tree. I used to be the kid, now the kids wanna be me. Tripping by my future like way before there was cameras. Hella plans on my calendar before I went all professional. Less social trust, man, these people making me cynical. More copycats and less people sounding original. Same destination, we just took different routes. Fuck being one of the greatest, I'm trying to be the greatest one. I ain't saying I ain't grateful for everything I become, but the throne looks more comfortable than this chair I'm sitting on. My name is Brian Cole, bars is what I'm known for. If my vision ain't scaring me, then I don't go for it. Remember my first days here when it was all foreign. Now I'm on TV with James Corden, that shit was crazy. Just got a place with a backyard, I feel amazing. Nothing can get between me and the dreams I'm chasing. Ain't got the time for partying, no more getting wasted. Unless you got the 1942, man, then get the chaser. You hating on me, but you know I got it. You big in your city, I'm the king of a continent. These rappers trying to make the trending topic. Why the state of music going south, but I don't even wanna talk about it. Let's talk about it. Nah, let's talk about it. Before all these folks decide it's cool to give a fuck about it. Everyone's trying to make hits, I'm just trying to make music. You know the kind that makes you feel when you listen to it. I'm the youngest child, I don't need more attention. You writing some bullshit, I write the lyrics meant for the captions. I'm making songs that'll probably outlive us for generations. Started off as the sailor, look at me, now I'm the captain. I won't lie, this shit is fun. Tell these Asian kids they could do what they want. Might steal the mic at the Grammys just to say we won. That everyone can make it, don't matter where you from. Can't forget about the day that Sean called me, talking about a vision called 88. That he's dreaming, man, I love him like a brother. If we fall, we gon' recover. Just a man with a vision who mastered and causing trouble. Man, I can't see the finish line, fall back, I ain't fucking around this time. The guy I know he created a legend in 99. Fuck pretending on the track, man, I mean every single line. Touchdown, never holding back, shining like some buzz down, sailing around without a map. Been the underdog, now it's time to let me quarterback. Killing shit in uncharted territories, man, this shit get hella gory. Whole country of people proud, so I'm never worried. Glad you're sitting through the credits, man, this is my story. The type of shit that made me cry when I recorded. This is the type of shit that still gon' make me proud even when I'm 40. R.I.P. Nipsey, R.I.P. Matt. These inspirations always gon' motivate me to rap. Let's celebrate their lives and the people that they impact. The marathon continues, ain't no way we looking back. Amazon Prime Flow, you know I always deliver. We cross oceans for a chance just to feel something better. Generations to sacrifice, so I always remember. It's that circle of life shit, they hold me up like I'm Simba. They told me I ain't welcome, I'm here to stay and my visa says so. Just wait and see whose songs they gon' blast up in their headphones. Come back like every couple years to destroy like tornadoes. Victorious tropical flow coming straight from Indo. These plants only grow to just get cut and disposed. They spotlight is dim and my future so bright that it glows. You want the blueprint for impossible, I let it show. Remember when Pac said the concrete grows a rose.